As we peeled back the layers of this old shed, we began to realize that we needed to restructure the entire thing or knock it down. So there was a moment when knocking it down was a real possibility. I'm glad we didn't. Wow. Davvero biscotto e caffè. New supplies, new project. Io ho visto ticho kunietele, oi kunietele. It's my garden, nice and clean again. Well, it was a tricky morning. First thing is I forgot her food, so she wasn't super happy with me. But I went back and got it. And now she's my friend again, as you can see. I swear, I wonder how long she'd stick around if food stopped completely. And the car wouldn't start because I went through a really deep pool of water by mistake last night, and the car just stopped, took on a lot of water in the engine. So I've been working on that all morning, but I got the car started, just. I don't know if it's gonna stick with me, but I think it'll get me back to Kea, which is all I care about at this point. I'm tired, I'm dirty, I've had enough with cement for a while. You can hear it in the background, and I am ready to go. If I had to guess, I'd say she's very ready as well. So we'll be catching the afternoon ferry. stavo postigna tutto spettacolo. We've built an entire house together with Marcos here, but it's today with the bike ramp that I'm getting more excited than I have been for a while. The whole idea of having a ramp into a special garage specifically for my e-bike, it's making me very happy. This was a completely unexpected job, but we had all the materials, so we just did it. We got on it really quickly. All underneath here was completely without a foundation, without earth, without anything. The wall was just hanging in the air. So we've filled up the entire space with concrete and rocks. And on top of this, we're going to have a reinforced floor. It's going to get more filled in with some more rubble that we have, and then it will be a very solid foundation. This is one of the crazier ones I've done. I just can't believe that chunks this size are still coming out of this house after all these years. Soon after pouring this front step tied in with the foundation, we realized after seeing more of the building that we were going to have to establish 3 columns in the front to support the entire structure. So we began to assess the exact damage of the wall and saw that it went all the way through to the back, which is something that we're now dealing with. Got several electricians here today. It's been a long time since they've been here, so we're finally ready to finish the back part. I just got back to the house. Marcos worked for a day or two without me, so I'm gonna go see what he's done. I think he's been working on the small garage, or garage, for my bike. Let's go see. food expo working for the last 3 days, and Marcos and his assistant have been here, and they did an amazing job on the garage. Look at that. It's just, I never expected that leaning shack would turn out so nicely. Of course, it's not finished, but it's getting there. Well, the garage is progressing, but the yard is an absolute disaster again. This looks so much bigger than it is. It's not that big. The whole thing is 250 by 3. So I know I asked you guys' opinion about the windows, but then there was a whole new development. Let me show you. It's 7:30 on a mid-March morning. Looks like it's going to be really beautiful today. And today we're doing the last prep before we put the layer of white on the outside of the house. This is huge. Since the very first day I saw this house, in my mind's eye, there was a version of what's actually happening now. It's beyond words amazing. It's been 4 years, it's been ups, it's been downs, it's been a lot more money than I thought it would be, but we're finally here. And I'm pretty excited. I'm even kind of nervous. Please make sure to spread likes all over my stuff, and thanks so much for watching.